So students, exercise first B has completed of chapter 1. Now we will start exercise first C and we will do in notebook. We will write here exercise first C. You will underline these heading. Now question 1. Question 1 is fill in, and here A to J questions are given. We will fill in. Question A is 10 millimeter equals to dash centimeter. When we convert millimeter into centimeter, we will divide it by 10. So here 10 millimeters into dash centimeter. So we will divide it 10 by 10. It will be 1 centimeter. So 1 centimeters equals to 10 millimeters, or 10 millimeters equals to 1 centimeter. Question B, 100 centimeter equals to dash meter. We know very well 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter, and when we convert centimeter into meter, we will divide it by 100. So we will divide it by 100 by 100. So it will be 1 meter. So 100 centimeter equals to 1 meter. Now question C, 10 kilometers equals to dash multiply by 1000 meter. We know very well 1 kilometer equals to 1000 meter. So 10 kilometers equals to 10,000 meter. But 1000 meter in answer 1000 meter has given. So we will multiply into 10. So 10 kilometers equals to 10 multiplied by 1000 meter equals to 10,000 meter. Now question number D, 2 kilograms equals to dash grams. We know very well 1 kilograms equals to 1000 grams. So 2 kilograms equals to 2 multiplied by 1000. We multiply by 1000 into 2. So it will be 2000 gram. E question, 8000 gram equals to dash kilograms. When we convert gram into kilograms, we will divide it by 1000. So we will divide it 8000 by 1000. It will be 8 kilograms. Now question F, 5000 milliliter equals to dash liter. When we convert milliliter into liter, we divide it by 1000 into milliliters. So we will divide 5000 by 1000. It will be 5. So 5000 milliliters equals to 5 liter, because 1 liter equals to 1000 milliliters. Now question G, time between 5 pm and 5 am is equal to dash hours. Students, we will find out time during between 5 pm and 5 am. When we count this time, it will be 12 hours. So time duration between 5 pm and 5 am equals to 12 hours. So we will write here 12. Now question H, 240 seconds equals to dash minutes. We know very well 1 minute equals to 60 seconds. So when we convert second into minutes, we will divide it by 60. So we will divide it 240 by 60. It will be 4. So 240 seconds equals to 4 minutes. Now question number I, 4 weeks equals to dash days. We know very well 1 week equals to 7 days. So we will find out 4 weeks equals to we will multiply 4 into 7, so it will be 28 days. 1 year has, question number J, 1 year has is equal to dash weeks. We know very well 1 year has 52 weeks. Students, remember 1 year has 52 weeks. So here we will write 52. Now question number 2. Question number 2 of this exercise, first C is change. A part of this question, 6 hours 20 minutes to minutes. We will convert 6 hours 20 minutes to minutes. When we convert hours into minutes, we will multiply by 60 because 1 hour equals to 60 minutes. But this 20 minutes we can't convert into minutes because 20 minutes given into already minutes. So we will add after convert 6 hours into minutes. In notebook we will do this question. We know very well 1 hour equals to 60 minutes. So 6 hours equals to 60 multiplied by 6. When we multiply these figures, it will be 360 minutes. So 360 minutes are there in 6 hours, but 20 minutes is left. So we will add in it 20 minutes. It will be 380 minutes. I hope you understand this question. Now question number B. 3 days, 8 hours, 2 hours. We will convert days into hours, but we can't convert hours into hours because we already get hours. So we will add after convert days into hours. We know very well 1 day equals to 24 hours. So 3 days equals to, we will do multiply by 24 into 3. It will be 72 hours plus 8 hours. 72 plus 8 equals to 80 hours. Question number C. 4 months, 2 weeks, 2 days. We will convert here months and week into days. So we know very well 1 month equals to 30 days. So 4 months equals to, we will do multiply into 4 by 30. 4 multiply by 30. It will be 120 days. Now we will convert weeks into days. We know very well 1 week equals to 7 days. So 2 weeks equals to 7 multiplied by 2 is equal to 14 days. Now we will add 120 days plus 14 days. 120 days and 14 days. It will be 134 days. It will be answer. Now question D. 470 seconds to minutes and seconds. When we convert second into minutes, we will divide it by 60 because 1 minute equals to 60 seconds. So when we convert second into minutes, we will divide it by 60. So here we will divide 60 7 ja 420. The remainder is 50 and the question is 7. So question 7 as minutes and the remainder 50 as second. So 7 minutes 50 seconds are there, will be 470 seconds. Now question number E. 110 minutes to hours and minutes. When we convert minutes into hours, we will divide it by 60 because 1 hour equals to 60 minutes. So we will divide it 110 by 60. It will be 1 hour 50 seconds. Now question number F. 45 hours to days and hours. When we convert hours into days, we will divide it by 24 because one day equals to 24 hours. But here we will convert hours into days, so we will divide it by 24. So we will divide it 45 by 24. 24 1 ja 24. 21 is left as hours and the question 1 as day. So one day 21 hours, hour will be 45 hours. Thank you.